Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm actually going to show you what I thought was going to be a small pile, and I failed at that, but these are all the books I'm going to be working in throughout December. Like, these are my favorite books to pull out for Christmas, so I wanted to kind of show you guys what they are. There will be links in the description below. By no means do you have to buy them, but if for some reason you want them, if you click those links, they do help support my channel, which I always appreciate. But again, don't buy what you don't need. So I am going to slide this pile over. Now, I won't color in every single book, but I tend to like pull these out in a nice little pile and keep them in my art studio, so when I'm done with something, I'll be like, all right, which one am I going to tackle next? So this is the pile I'll be focusing on. Okay, so the first one is one that I ended up getting late last year, so I want to play around with it this year. This is the Travel Size Winter Chibis by Alexandra Franzese. So cute. And it is Create Space paper. I'm not going to do full flip throughs, by the way. I'll do that in a book collection video one day. But I think I'm going to scan these and put them on marker paper because I like this style. I tend to lean towards markers. Okay. When it comes to Teresa Goodridge, I have quite a few of hers, but they're all hiding, so I'm going to put hers off to the side for now. I do have two creative or coloring heaven ones. Actually, I think I might have another one in here. Oh yeah, it's hiding right down here. All right, so I got 3 from Coloring Heaven. I've left a link to their Etsy because that's where I buy mine. But I have the Christmas special, and this is always fun. It features different artists, and I have not colored in this, so I probably should, right? So I got the Christmas special, cutesy Christmas special. A lot of these I ended up getting after the holiday by the time I got them from shipping. So this year I really want to use these. At least if I could just color one. Oh, an advent calendar is in here. I may do this one, although I know there's going to be quite a few coloring advent calendars. But you know what, everyone? Where did that calendar go? I need to find a way to mark it. Oh, there it is. I am going to just slip this in here so it reminds me to go back and look at it. Okay. Elves Behaving Badly. So I got this one late, and I've always thought it was pretty cute. So I want to kind of at least do one in here. I do not like the new paper they have in their newer books. I find it actually quite crappy, but I don't know. It'll be fun. And I to be honest, I might actually use these as ideas for Elf on the Shelf. Okay, I have 2 from Hannah Lynn. This is Whimsy Girls Celebrate the Holidays. This book covers all holidays, but I'll be focusing on the back here and working on the Christmas themed. Now there's 2 prints of each, you'll notice. One more detailed, one not. Oh, I've got a little scratch paper in here. Oh, I think it was because I was going to start that one. In fact, this one is in one of the Coloring Heaven ones, but tons of cute Christmas ones in the back here. So I'll be working on that. And then she has a whole book for Christmas. Again, you get doubled up on the pages. I'll show you an example. So here she is there and there again. I think these ones, yeah, it's just doubles. So it's not zoomed in, it's not simplified, just doubles, which is fine by me. But I really want to color in this. It is Create Space paper, but I just tend to use Prismas, although this was actually done with Ohuhu a few years ago. Got this one here, I didn't Prisma. I love coloring Hannah Lynn hair, honestly. It doesn't do the like realistic hair that I typically do, but okay. Then I have from Yana Prosperina her Whimsical Darlings Christmas book, and it's all printed on marker paper. So I'm just gonna like pick out whichever one I'm feeling. Like she's even got a witchy witchy Christmas. And yeah, I will just be working on those, but I did put it on my marker paper. Okay. Then I have the romantic country books. Every year I say I'm going to color in them because they have Christmas pages. So they're kind of scattered about depending on which one. So this is the second tale. But let me see if I can find like an example. There's also Halloween and all that mixed in. This one, if I remember right, is pretty Halloween heavy, but there is like winter and Christmas pages. Just gotta find them. But yeah, every year I'm like, I need to get on that, and then I don't. And some aren't specific to Christmas, which makes it nice because then, you know, like you could do this one, for example, with snowy mountains. Excuse me. Maybe the second tale didn't have. I grabbed them all. Oh, here we go. Yeah, I knew they had some. So like this Nutcracker one would be really fun to do. It's a double page spread. But yeah, I just kind of wanted to tackle that this year. This is the third tale. I know one of them was like super Christmas heavy, and I can never remember which one it is. That's Halloween. So let's see if I can find some more examples of Christmas or winter. Maybe. Oh, here we go. So like we've got these ones. This will be fun to do like snow-covered trees. They're always scattered about, so I'm sure I passed a few and didn't even notice. This one also for winter, and this one. This could be, you could do Christmas themed if you want, don't have to. Here's another one, double page spread. Oh, this one, I had colored this years ago using Marco Raffines, and I've always wanted to go back with Prisma and make it like more detailed. So maybe that'll be one I tackle this year. Got this page here. And then we got the first one. I know there's some Christmassy ones here, yeah. So like you got this one here. In fact, I think, like I said, they can be scattered about. And I do have Erie's other books. I really should have pulled those out to see if they had Christmassy ones, but I really want to get a jump on these romantic country books. Now, just a disclaimer, I own like 2 to 3 copies of each romantic country. So like this one has never been colored in, but this is actually my new copy where I want to color now that my skills are more advanced. All these copies I brought out are the ones I purchased now that I'm more advanced. My old copies I actually colored in with like Marco Raffines and some no-name brand. And then one of them has a really nice picture colored with like Derwent Lightfast. But yeah, so I had repurchased them to start redoing them after my skills improved. All right, I have a couple PDFs. I will link to the Etsy stores for those. So I have 3 from Destiny Lauritsen. This is her like little Christmas pack, but they're really cute. And I printed them on marker paper. And then I have this one from Christine Caron. I've always wanted to color this one because I want to color this like Scout, my husky. So I really want to do this one this year. It's like in my pile for the last 3 years, I think. Maybe 2. This is from Mariola Budek's Christmas Gnomes. I only printed out this little guy because I want to color this little guy. This is actually Mystic Art Mirrors. It's not necessarily Christmas, but like these little gingerbread type characters, I'm going to make it Christmassy, but it's going to be pink. Pink and blue Christmas. Christmas does not have to be red and green and all that. Okay, then I do have a couple. Let me see if I can get them all grouped together. Okay, so just 2 from Clara Markova. So Fairy Touch of Magic, which I know a lot of people assume is all Halloween, but it's actually not. At the back is where you kind of get into all the Christmas stuff. So these are all like Christmassy ones, and you'll know it is because you'll have this as your side page. Some really busy double page spreads. So like that would be fun. And this is Christmassy too. So I want to try and get one done in this book. Maybe. I have to really be in the mood though, because her pages are just so busy. I had done that one a few years ago with Prisma. Made it super bright. Like that one would be fun. So all of those are super cute. So that was one option. And then in her latest book, she does have a few Christmassy ones. Like this is really pretty. This one's really cute too. I love this one. This one is a monster double page. I don't know if I'm ready to tackle it, but they're all so pretty. I really like that one with the cake. So yeah, she has quite a few in her new one as well. Okay. Now this one is a combo book from Halloween to Christmas by Teresa Goodridge. Some of these I've actually colored. Let's get to the Christmas ones. I've colored like the PDFs. But that would be a fun one. I don't know if I'll get to this book, but I pulled it out because my mood changes, so you never know. So gotta see. But yeah, I mean, I may not get to them. We'll see. I did pull out Seasons by Hannah Carlson. Near the back here is where we're into all of the winter ones. I've always wanted to do this one. So pretty. I did this years ago. The color along is on my channel. Full length color along. And yeah, it's still on my channel. It was with Prismas. And I even showed how to make the pine needles not the pine needles she had, because her line art, you can barely see it now, but it's very, I wanted it floofy. So if you want that, check it out on my channel. But yeah, so near the back of this book is all Christmassy. Alright, then I have a couple Chibis. Coco Wayo and April Amber. I really like Chibis for Christmas. Maybe it's because they just look so happy all the time that you're like, oh, I just love it. I did that with marker on Create Space paper. This too. Oh, that's right. I did a marker base and I was trying to do pencil and I got flustered. So, I haven't looked to see if she's added this one. I should say they added this one to Etsy, because most of them are being digitized now. So April Amber has a really cute one too. It is Create Space paper, but I think it's adorable. So I want to tackle some of these. I may scan them and put them on marker paper. I most likely will, because with Chibis, I prefer to do that with markers. I don't know, it's just a style preference, I guess. Okay, we have the flower year. So I will be focusing, if I do color in here, on December. So I got some beautiful pages for December. And then of course, like the January ones I might do. Oh, I forgot I did that page. But yeah, I've got that one to still work on. All right. I had pulled this one out because this is the latest one from Teresa Goodridge, but there was a few in here that I was like, oh, those could work for Christmas. Plus I just want to color in this book because it's brand new. Trying to see, what was the one that I was thinking was Christmassy? I know there's Halloween ones, but yeah, there was like one or two in here. I can't find them now. Maybe I'm just losing it. But yeah, we'll see on that one. Okay, last but not least is my outrageous collection of Teresa Goodridge Christmas ones. I can't help it, she comes out with cute ones. So Enchanted Christmas, tons of cute pages in here. I have one like I did last year. I printed it out because this was when they first switched to the crappy paper. I really like this one. It's more whimsical, but yeah, it'll be a fun one. In fact, I started this one here. I had started it with Black Widow, and then I was like, no, I want to go back to my Prismacolors. So then I have her Christmas Charm one. Did that with Prisma. That was with Prisma. This is on the better paper, this one, which was nice. Sadly, her older ones are on the nicer paper. I had started that one. Maybe I'll finish that one. All right. Country Christmas. This is also on the nicer paper. Did I ever color anything in here? Oops. Oh, I had started this one with Prisma. Yeah, I need to do something in that, especially because it has the nice paper. Home for the Holidays. This is back to... Actually, is this a good this feels like the good paper. No, it's the bad paper, but super cute. I had started this last year, and I had done it with Black Widow and got flustered. So I'll probably go back with Prisma, maybe. But I definitely want to get something done in here. I started this one literally just at the red bow. Good times. Alright, and this is her latest one, Christmas Gnomes. I definitely want to do some coloring in this one because her gnomes are just cracking me up. So this will be one I definitely plan to do a lot of work in because I really like this one. All of these are adorable. So you have to let me know if you would like to see something colored in here. But that is what I will be working on for December. Let me know what books you're going to pull out for your December stash or your favorite Christmas coloring books. I always like to get ideas. Not that I should be spending money on new books, but I always like to hear what everyone uses. And yeah, until next time, everyone, take care. Bye now.